Join us on a tour of the Dalton home design by DR Horton, Utah. You'll notice the wide-open family room and kitchen areas, which provide great hosting options and more natural light in your living spaces. This kitchen features crisp white cabinetry, plus a peninsula for additional counter space and a generous walk-in pantry. You'll appreciate time spent in this kitchen, surrounded by attractive quartz countertops, along with the extra space for informal dining. Now we'll head upstairs to see the bedrooms and more. This hallway landing provides access to the bedrooms, a shared bath, and the laundry room. There are 2 secondary bedrooms located at the rear of the home, with each providing a generous storage closet. These bedrooms are welcoming and comfortable, with plush carpeting, bright LED lighting, and plenty of natural light. There's a full bathroom in the hallway, featuring a bathtub shower combo with built-in shelves and an ample-sized sink vanity with desirable quartz countertop. Here is the conveniently located laundry room with built-in shelves, giving you plenty of storage space. And at the front of the home, you'll find your private bedroom suite. This personal retreat offers an opportunity to relax and rejuvenate in this large bedroom. Your private bath provides a relaxing bathtub with built-in shower, along with a quartz countertop vanity. And your private walk-in closet is nearby, offering built-in shelves and a window for even more light. When you're ready to see more of the Dalton floor plan, just give us a call at 801-889-2188 and we'll help find the ideal DR Horton home for you.